I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Malunggay with Kamote. This easy guide will help you prepare a nutritious and delicious dish. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is fresh and ready. You'll need just a few simple items to create a wonderful meal that's both healthy and satisfying for your family. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get our vegetables ready for cooking. First, carefully wash your malunggay leaves to remove any dirt or impurities. Next, peel the kamote and cut it into uniform 1-inch cubes, ensuring even cooking. Finally, mince your onion and garlic. These aromatic ingredients will form the flavorful base of our dish. Proper preparation is key to a great meal. It's time to start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and onion, sautéing them until they become fragrant and slightly translucent. Next, introduce the diced kamote cubes to the pan, along with 1 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the kamote to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's tender. Almost done. Once the kamote is tender, it's time to add the star of our dish, the malunggay leaves. Stir them into the pan, cooking for just 2 to 3 minutes until they wilt and turn a vibrant green. Season generously with salt and pepper to taste, adjusting to your liking. This simple, nutritious meal is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm and savor the flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.